Honey, I'm going to the casino.
Did you know?
Know what?
Stick around and I'll tell you.
Hey, welcome back to our Cruise Tips 101 series. We're on number 71 through 80.
We are, 71 through 80. But before we get started,
What?
if you enjoy these videos, please hit the subscribe button. I said it once and I'll say it again. We're giving away a DJI Osmo Pocket camera at 1,000 subscribers. Going to be in that bag right behind us with a bunch more stuff for your next cruise.
Awesome.
So, we're going to start
With number 71.
I was doing a little William Shatner right there.
Yes, you were.
Boom.
All right, Captain.
That's right. Number 71.
Go ahead.
Number 71 is if you need to go to guest services, go early in the morning or late at night. You know why?
Why? Because of lines?
Exactly. You won't have to wait in line. If you go in the middle of the day, the guest services line is generally pretty busy. So
Yes.
go early in the morning or late at night. You walk right up and get whatever you need.
Good information to know. Now, number 72. You can pack lighter if you decide to do laundry on the ship.
Or have it done.
Or have it done.
Either way.
If you're a platinum
Or yeah, platinum or
diamond
on Carnival.
on Carnival, this is with Carnival, you get some free laundry service. So we take advantage of that when we cruise.
Yeah, we did.
And I still overpack, but I'm trying.
Yeah, so no need to overpack. You can always have laundry done, or you can do it on the ship. All the ships have washing machines and dryers. Nobody wants to do laundry on vacation. I'm just saying. If you're a compulsive overpacker,
I'm a recovering overpacker.
you have the option to do laundry.
I still can slip up because I'm still recovering.
12 steps is not enough.
I try.
Number 73. You don't need to bring soap. You don't need to bring shampoo. The ship will provide it for you. Okay, all ships provide, just like a hotel. They'll have soap, shampoo, sometimes conditioner, sometimes body wash. It just depends on Sometimes it's a bar of soap. Sometimes it's body wash. Just depends on the ship, what the accommodations are. But they all provide shampoo. So if you're not particular about the shampoo that you use, they'll provide the shampoo for you.
But those of you who are particular, by all means, bring what you like to bring.
Absolutely.
I do. All right, number 74. Gratuities will be added to your shipboard account unless you've prepaid them. So don't forget, that's an extra charge that you'll see on your account if you have not already prepaid for them.
Yeah, so what they started doing several years ago is they started just adding the gratuities to your account. That was their way to make sure that the cabin stewards and the maitre d' and the wait staff and the bartenders and everybody got paid, because in the old days you used to put money in an envelope. They used to put envelopes in your room. You put your money in an envelope and you go around handing out money. So now they put on your account. You can have it taken off, by the way, if you would prefer to hand out money in an envelope like in the old days. You can do that. What we generally do is we prepay the gratuities, and then if we find a crew member or crew members that go above and beyond, we give them a little extra cash.
Yes, and you don't have to do that. Your prepaid gratuities can be your gratuities. We just elect to, and then usually when we go to the bar, we usually give an extra $1.
Exactly. So.
But let's go on to number 75.
Number 75, internet is not free on ships.
And it's slow.
And it is generally slow. So there is a cost associated. It's not cheap. I was actually last night on Life with Favors live show. Somebody was saying they're going on a celebrity cruise for a week, and it's $350 for the week for their internet.
Insanity.
Which is crazy, and it's not super fast. It's getting better than it was.
Right.
Just a hint. If you go out on the deck higher up, the internet's faster because you're closer to the satellite.
Number 76, you do not need to bring towels with you. Towels will be provided. So, and also note that on the towel situation, you don't have to take them off the ship. most excursions and or resorts will have towels at those locations.
Yeah, if you're going to a resort. Sure.
We personally do not take them off the ship because we don't want to lose them or misplace them because you will be charged for them.
And they're expensive.
We bring like a lightweight microfiber towels if we need them, but most places they'll have towels.
Yeah, and they're lightweight because towels are heavy, especially after they get wet. So no need to bring towels on the cruise ship. They have them out by the swimming pool, and they will provide them to take on your excursion. They'll put them in your room the night before you report.
Very good.
Okay. Number 77 is if you have bathrobes in your cabin.
Yes.
And you really like them, you can buy them.
Yes, you can.
I mean, not the ones that are in your cabin.
Right. No, you'll get new ones.
You'll get new ones.
Yeah, so you can just call guest services or ask your steward.
And they'll get them for you, and they'll be happy to put them right on your shipboard account. We actually got some from Royal Caribbean, and they are.
But that was part of an
anniversary package, but we still had to buy them.
Yes,
but they're fantastic.
Yeah,
they're really good quality. So if you like those, if you like the linens on your bed, with Carnival, they have the Carnival collection. You can buy those too.
All right, number 78, and this is one dear to me and close to my heart. Honey, I'm going to the casino. But the odds and payouts in the casino are worse on a ship than they are on land.
Yeah, so for you gamblers, just a heads up, it's really the worst place you can gamble.
It won't deter me.
The odds are not very good. The payouts aren't very good, but
it's what I love.
That's why I play blackjack. I've got a little more control.
Control issues now, huh?
That's right.
All right. So, number 79.
Number 79, souvenirs and transportation when you're in port are generally more expensive the closer you are to the cruise ship. So if you're getting a taxi or doing your souvenir shopping right around where the cruise ship is, they're generally more expensive, where sometimes you can walk just a block up away from the ship, and the souvenirs are cheaper, and getting a taxi cab is cheaper as well. Right. So keep that in mind. If you can walk a block or so away and you want to catch a cab or do some souvenir shopping, it'll save you a little money.
All right, and our last tip for this episode is number 80. And this one is, I didn't know this, actually we had a little conversation about this before we started. Number 80, you do not have to wear formal wear to formal night, but there is a dress code.
Yes. So most ship lines have formal nights. I think they all do, where everybody gets dressed up in their suits and everything. But you're not required to wear that formal wear in order to be able to eat in the main dining room.
Right.
On most ship lines. I do not want to speak for all of them. There may be a few that actually require it, like some of the real,
like a celebrity.
I don't know, that maybe Viking, somebody like Viking may. We haven't been on a Viking cruise, but I know that on like Royal Caribbean and Norwegian and Carnival that you are required to wear pants for men, closed-toed shoes, and a button-up collared shirt on their formal nights. But you don't have to dress in a suit in order to eat in the main dining room.
So if you're unsure, please don't forget to read the policies and procedures for your particular cruise. They'll be emailed to you or online for your viewing.
And that'll tell you all the do's and don'ts as far as what they'll accept in their dining rooms on formal night.
So that's the last of our tips for this episode.
80.
Yeah, 80. So don't forget to like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share. Check out our Facebook, our Twitter, and our Instagram account.
And the link for our Teespring store.
Teespring
is right there, where you can get your official Midlife Crazy merchandise, shirts, tank tops, coffee cups, tote bags,
and
socks. All kinds of cool stuff. So we're going to mosey on out of here.
I'm Kimberly.
I'm Brad.
And we're Midlife Crazy. Thanks for watching. Bye.